Hello, 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 hello. It is a wonderful day in the universe, isn't it? Today I am opening up a brand new box, so I'm kind of excited. It is from Postmark'd Studio. I ordered 3 months and it comes in a sweet little box like that. And you can see the little blue bird delivering to mi casa. This is stationery products. So a little about me, I love to write. I have children, 2 sons, so I have 3 sons, but 2 of them don't live with me here in Virginia. So I decided to invest more in some stationery so I can write them. So it came with a little card. It says Lisa, it's from Postmark'd Studios. And it says, I think you are succulent. It's from Anne. So the theme for the month is succulents. And it's packaged just like this. This was in it as well. This is really cool. What she does is she includes vintage postage. And it's funny that she should call it vintage because I was looking at some of these stamps, specifically these, and I feel old. Is this actually vintage at this time? I don't know, but I remember buying these stamps not too long ago. But she included 4 20-cent stamps and, actually 8 20-cent stamps, and then 4 18-cent stamps. So that was really sweet. There's no excuse now not to mail a letter. You have postage. And then let's just take out the little package. She tied it up with a nice little bow. And I'll just take out the first item. It is a test tube. It's plastic. Feels like plastic. Yeah, it's not glass. And it contains 5 pencils by June and December. It's succulent. It's number 2 fine pencils. So this is really nice. Do I use pencils in letter writing? Not really, but I do use pencils, especially when I am doing my workbook. So I am in a self-taught class and I'm teaching myself Spanish. So let's take it out. So this is good for like schoolwork, for a workbook, and there's 5 pencils. And they have, I guess you could, I'm not sure if this is, yeah, it looks like little succulents on it. So that's the first thing. And then, you know, what you can do with this, you can actually use this, you can use it to store the pencils. You can use it to grow cuttings, like plant cuttings. So that's the first thing. Take out the ribbon. The next thing she included were stationery. And it has a little wax seal of a succulent. I don't have any of those waxed, you can make these. I don't have the tool to make that, but it's really cute. And there are 5 cards. So right away you can start writing letters. And each one has succulents on them, as that is the theme. Isn't that cute? Coordinating envelopes. I just adore it. I like the colors. They're subdued, and it's simple, but these are perfect for little notes. Then she included 2 postcards, mailbox, and here's the back where you would write your little letter and said, oh, this is cute, life would suck without you. And here's the back of the postcard. So that's 7 things. And then lastly, she included a notepad. And it's quite sturdy. Really sturdy cardboard. And it's just a simple notepad, which I don't know, it makes me happy. I like this. And that's really pretty. So that is it. And there's a little card. So if you wanted to look up everything that came in this collection, you can use the card and go to the website. And she's also on, when I say she, I keep saying she. She is Anne. She owns the company called Postmark'd Studio. And she's on Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram. And I will leave down below if you wanted to subscribe to this monthly box. There's a subscription. I subscribed for 3 months, and I'll leave the details below. So that's it. What did you think? What did you think? I'm quite happy with it. I think the items are adorable. You can tell everything was packed with care, and there was definitely thought put into this subscription. And every month has a different theme. So I'm looking forward for the theme for December, because this is November. Anyway, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I love all my new subscribers and my old subscribers, and I hope to grow my channel some more. And let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Take care all. Bye.